Welcome to the Daily Message. This time of the year naturally draws me to thinking and reflecting on Christmas gifts. And so today and for the next couple of days, I want to offer some reflections about some of the Christmas gifts that we have received and will receive this year. Today, I want to talk about the gift of family. Many of us will not be able to celebrate with our families in person this year, maybe for the first time ever. And yet we can remain close to our families. Though we are socially distant from each other, we can still be close. In that spirit, I want to offer this reflection given by Rabbi Yosef Kanevsky. He says this: one of the brand new terms that has entered our daily conversation is social distancing. It is shorthand, as we know very well, for the practical physical precautions that we all need to and must take in order to protect ourselves and others. I'd humbly suggest, though, that we use the term itself sparingly, if at all. Language is a powerful shaper of thinking, and the very last thing we need right now is a mindset of mutual distancing. We actually need to be thinking in the exact opposite way. Every hand that we don't shake must become a phone call that we place. Every embrace that we avoid must become a verbal expression of warmth and concern. Every inch and every foot that we physically place between ourselves and another must become a thought as to how we might be of help to that other, should the need arise. It is obvious that distancing, if misplaced or misunderstood, will take its toll not only upon our community's strength and resiliency, but upon the very integrity and meaning of our spiritual commitment. Let's stay safe. And let's draw one another closer in a way that we've never done before.